He's a common criminal. At the court here, it was made by all the affidavits, including the affidavits of DSS that is before this. That actually, it was a matter of business relationship, business and contractual agreement that went sought, which is supposed to resolve civilly through a civil process by the courts. Instead of employing agents of coercion, government agents of coercion, to coerce our brother and our grand patron into accepting what he did not do, into roping him into a serious and extrinsic criminal matters. By the grace of God, I'm urging all my people in Igbo, in Lagos State, to come and march on 18th and here observe the hearing. It is good we are here. Some of us who are here to take the message to all nooks and crannies of Igbo land that Chief Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah is not a criminal. He is not a criminal. He's a decent Nigerian doing a decent business. There was a time the petroleum tanker drivers organized a massive strike, and he was the person who deflated it. He released products into the Nigerian market just to assist the newly sworn-in government of General Muhammad Buhari. Now, how can you assist such a person of subversive activities against the same government that he has tried to help, tried to make, to put a very right footing when they were just new in the office? So Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah is a patriotic Nigerian, and he remains so. And we shall always honor him. So we call on Ndigbo to disregard this news that is making the round. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
We are supporting him because he is patriotic. He has released fuel to caution the effect of strike embarked on by petroleum tanker drivers. You are Nigerian, you are aware. So somebody who has done this is a patriotic Nigerian. Patriotism is not by mouth. It is by your action. So he has done so much for Nigeria, and he has done so much for Ndigbo because he is our grand patron.
And he lost one son.
We made him our grand patron because of the quality in him, and we shall continue to stand by him.
And importantly, this case is supposed to be a civil case, not a criminal case.
Yes.